Hello, today we are going to learn how to create a new file with Illustrator and how to save it on your computer. Let's open the software. We go to Application and we choose the icon of the software. On the menu on the left, you can see the Create New button. Click on this button. Then you need to choose here which kind of artwork you want to create. Let's start with print, and this is the kind of file you need to choose if you want to create something that is going to be printed, like a poster or a sheet of paper. We choose A4 sheet of paper. Then you need to choose in which kind of unit measure you want to see your sheet of paper. I suggest you centimeters. And the orientation, portrait or landscape. Let's choose landscape. Artboards, please put one because you need to create a file with only one artboard inside. And then choose create. This wide rectangle is the space of your A4 sheet of paper. If you want to save it on your computer, you need to go to the top left of your computer window, choose File, Save, and Save on your computer. Then you need to select here in which position you want to save your file. Please choose Desktop and create a new folder for our course, please. Here you need to put the name for the folder. Please choose the same that I'm going to write. And choose Create. Here you have to change the name of your file. Leave the extension here as it is and choose Save. Please leave off the setting as you can see in my window and choose OK. If everything is OK, you will see the name of your file here. Now, if you want to close your file, but you won't close the software, you go to File and choose Close. You are still inside Illustrator, but the file is closed. If you want to quit Illustrator, you need to go to Illustrator, Quit Illustrator.